Hello guys, welcome to my class. The topic before us is quadratic equation by formula method. Quadratic equation have so many methods which we can use to solve questions. You can use completing the square, you can use factorization, you can use formula depending. But what we are told to solve with this particular question is we should use formula method. Now, let's go straight to the board to see how we can use formula method in solving this particular problem. Right solution. Now, if you look at this question, how do we solve this? Without thinking too much, we can label this to be A, label this to be B, and label this to be C. What do I mean by that? It means automatically now that we have here we have X as 1 here, X equal to 1 here. Here, you can see X equal to 2, and here you can say 3, you can say S equal to minus 15. So this S we're talking about means that this X here, we can see that this automatically is A, you can say that this particularly is B, and you can say this is particularly as C. I'm sure you guys see what I did. So that means this is A, this is B, and this is C. From this, we can now move down to the formula we should work on. The formula for finding solution to this is going to be X equals to minus B plus minus this. We have B squared minus 4AC all over 2A. Now, having done this, what we need to do now is to just substitute everything that we have here into our alphabet. Substitute into our alphabet. Wherever I find the alphabet, just fix it into it. Now, the first one here we have minus B. Minus B. Our B there is 2. So we have 2 here automatically. Now we have 2 plus minus. The B remains as 2 minus 4. Our A here is 1. Can bracket it. Our C here is minus 5. Can also bracket it. All over 2. Our A still remains as 1. I'm sure you guys are following up. Now let's open up what we have there. Now, to open up what we have here, you can see minus 2 plus minus. This gives us 4. Now, in this case now, let's look at this. We don't need to write this first. If you look at this, this is minus 4. Minus 4 times this will give us minus 4 again, because you know this is positive sign. Minus 4 plus, that is, this one has a positive plus. So if you times them together, you have minus 4. Now, if you have minus 4 here, it's more or less saying, if you times this together, we have minus 4 already. And this particular one here is minus 15. So here is times. So it's going to be like times minus 15. Are we together now? So it means that from what we have here, this minus will cancel this minus. 4 times 15 should give us 60. Are we there now? So when we get 60, that means, remember this 60 is positive sign. So it's going to be what? Plus what? 60 all over 2 times 1, 2. I'm sure that is easy to understand. So from this spot here, we go ahead and do the needful. We'll now say minus 2 plus minus. Now, if we add them together, we have 64 over what? 2. Now, remember this square root is only it's only applicable to just the numerator. The denominator has no business with the square root. So what is the square root of 68? The square root of 68 will give us 8. Now, having gotten that, we'll now say minus 2 plus minus, we now have our 8, which is our square root over what? 2. Now, since we have this, the effect of plus and minus will now reflect on this now. We pick out the plus first, then the minus next. But we are dealing with quadratic equation. Always, quadratic equation used to have two answers. That is why we have plus and minus. Let's effect it. Now say minus 2 plus 8 all over what? 2, or minus 2 minus 8 over what? 2. Now, from this now, if you effect this on this 8, we are owing 2 naira, we now paid 8 naira. So we are having 6 over what? 2, or we are both owing here. That means we are owing 10 naira over what? 2. If you divide this, 2 goes into 6, we'll have 3 here. If 2 goes into this 10, minus 10, if you have minus 5. So our answer for this question is 3 or minus 10. I'm sure you agree with me that everything goes perfect. Now, the minus 5, I'm sure you know how we got it now. We are owing 10 around here, and 2 goes into 10, that's how we got minus 5. So everything is actually very easy and clear. If you like this video, please do not forget to share, subscribe, like, comment. I'll see you guys in the next video. I remember Mr. T. I love you guys.